Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Algorand coin. The price line of Algorand has broken down another channel, and in today's video, we will analyze is there any possibility that we will re-enter the channel and break out the resistance or not. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me tell you one thing, that even though we have broken down this support, but this big pattern that I shared in my last video with you, that was a big harmonic bullish reversal sharp move, is still in play. And you can see, I'm just going to play the chart, the price line is likely to gear up from this potential reversal zone. But I'm not going to discuss this pattern in today's video. I just want to share some other move of the price line, like for example, this breakdown on the 4-hourly time frame, and also another analysis on the long term as well. So first of all, let me just show you this breakdown. We formed this up channel here at the end of January 2022, and we were moving very well between the resistance and support of this channel. Here we have broken down the support of the channel, and the bad thing is that after breakdown we have this price reversal, and we are confirming this breakdown by retesting the previous support of the channel as a resistance. Now here I would like to show you one more very important thing, that we have a very strong support of 87 cents approximately here, and you can see when we broke down the channel and we had some accumulation above this support, and we could not break it down. Now from here, if we switch to the weekly time frame, then we can see back in August 2019, this support has been working as a very strong resistance. If we zoom out the chart, then we can see we have the rejections for more than 1, 2, 3, and 4 weeks, and then price line moved down, and after here in Feb 2021, the price line broke out this resistance of 87 cents, and after breaking out this resistance, the price line confirmed this resistance as a support, and gave us a very firm confirmation that this is now a very strong support, and it will be really difficult to break down this support. We had another rally, we again tested the support here, and we had another very nice rally. Right now we are again having accumulation above this support once again. So even though we have broken down this channel on the 4-hourly time frame, but it will be very difficult for the price line to break down this support. Now if we take a look at the target after the breakdown of this channel, that was approximately at the same level where we have the support. For example, we have broken down the support from here. The target was here at approximately 83 cents. We have reached the support of 87 cents but could not break it down. Now for example, if the price line re-enters the channel and break it out from here, then our next move can be here at $1.35. It is possible that we may move down and test the support once again, and then we will have a price reversal. I am expecting that once the price line will be able to re-enter the channel, then there will be a very high probability for the price line to break out this falling wedge pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame chart. And we have already seen in my previous video as well that the formation of this wedge was started here at the start of November. So far we are not able to break out or break down this falling wedge pattern, and as you know that the falling wedge patterns or the down channels are mostly bullish bias patterns. Therefore, there is a high probability that we may break out this resistance of the falling wedge once we will be re-entered inside this up channel on the 4-hourly time frame. And you can also observe here this red line, that is the exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame, exactly at the same level where we have the resistance of the falling wedge. Now if the price line breaks out this resistance of EMA 21 and the wedge, then both resistance will turn into the support, like EMA 21 will turn into the support, and also the wedge as well. The target for this falling wedge will be here, the top of this wedge, that will be approximately $2.90. However, before this move, we need to break out this resistance, because previously this resistance, this trend line of the channel was working as a support. Now it has turned into the resistance for the price line, and we are having a rejections at this time. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.